These shit's dusty, man.
That's what she said.
These shits haven't been touched since 2017.
Why did she tell you that?
I think you mean that's what he said. The girl not being touched since 2017. What if she had not?
True.
Oh shit.
Hmm.
I think I need this locker.
This computer's naked.
Fully.
So are these both the same size?
On display.
Yep.
512s? Alright. Oh no. Oh, cool. Wow, that slid in there really fucking easily.
That's what she said.
See, that would have been, see?
You son of a bitch. Come on. There we go.
That's
The
good.
dynamo.
Did it have another cover in the box?
No. So, and sometimes all of them don't.
So do you just, are you okay with just raw dogging a fucking M.2?
That's fine.
Alright, here you go. It's your computer, not mine.
No, I think there was that didn't have one in mine also.
Wait, does it go? Yeah, it goes right here.
Is that a shot?
I'll
Yeah, I think it
just
was the same
hold
way in
all
my
the
other one. There was
plastic.
one that didn't have it.
Alright, I mean, if this is 1, 2, if that's the third drive.
The most important one's gonna be this one.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Put your OS on that, and then all the beefy stuff on that, and then that one would just
Now I'm gonna have to transfer the OS, which is why I brought the other drive. So I have a hard drive and SSD. It's in the bottom over here.
transfer your OS. What do you mean by that?
Because my OS is on my SSD, so I'm gonna make sure it's not on there.
Do you want to partition this first?
Yeah, just so it can start.
Well, that's what I was going to say. I have the external drive. So we can plug this into my external. You can put the OS on it now before we do anything else. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
You want to do that? Because you have your laptop.
Yeah, you're right. Didn't we install a new? Didn't we put the installer for Windows 10 on your?
No, that was for the Steam Deck. So all the enclosure is just the enclosure. So basically you plug the M.2 into the enclosure and then it turns it into like an external drive.
I may have one already, by chance. In my bag.
Well, just let me know.
No, I mean I may have a Windows 10 boot disk inside my.
On a flash drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Why
up
do
to
I
you.
have that? No, but I have that.
All right, that's in.
That's what she said. Sorry, I'm drinking.
You've had half of one.
Hey,
Doesn't drink a lot.
I don't.
Oh, so you're a lightweight is what
I
you're saying.
am. That's a lot for me.
Got it.
She took a lot of Modelo in today. Some other gooseberry stuff.
All right, that's it. That one just. Where'd I put the locker?
I don't know.
That's my coolest one.
Yeah, that ain't gonna move. That's fine.
Maybe on my desk. With
Like I said, I have
10 others.
the enclosure, so if
Yeah.
we need it, let me know.
Yeah. But it should boot up with my SSD in there, and I should be able to.
Well,
just
yeah,
straight
because
up
if
just transfer
if
it.
you're plugging, are you the
Yeah.
SSD is it an internal or external?
internal, it's the one I grabbed. I grabbed every drive from my computer.
Okay, so then
So
yeah,
it should boot up more like
yeah,
that,
so we'll
maybe.
have to boot in the BIOS, tell it to boot off the SSD, and then.
Yep, and then
All
install it.
And in worst case scenario, we can plug it into the TV, or I can bring a monitor from my room in here.
Yeah.
All right. So all your M.2s are in place. I'm a little iffy with how this one doesn't have like a cover
Yeah, no,
for
me
it,
too.
but
If I remember correctly, I believe again, no, I'm out of mine. But I think it might be because of the
Well,
fan.
so the other thing is too, there's this locker here. So I'm thinking because this has like a spot that I could probably unscrew it off and then put this one on, but I'm not sure.
Is there anything else that came with this?
Just the antennas, and then it looks like this SATA cable right here.
Oh, that's it. There's nothing else in here.
No, no. The only other thing left in there, I don't think there's anything else in there. You want to open the box and check? Because I'm pretty sure I took everything out.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you did also. Because again, there wasn't really a lot of room for anything else.
Got it?
I think the only reason they don't have one there is because of the, just in case of the,
I heard something in here. What is this? Where are you? It's another locker! Woo! It's another screw for the M.2, so we're good. We're good. It's the same thing as this, so I'm just gonna pop that back in there so they don't get lost. You good with that?
Yep.
Alright, cool. Alright,
Well,
keep
I ain't to worry about. This is supposed to be max airflow.
Alright. So now, what's
Okay.
next? What do you want to do?